Hello students, today we will be discussing about the topic transpiration. So what transpiration basically is? So transpiration is the process by which plant removes water from their body in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts of the plant, generally that is the leaves. Means you might have seen the leaves of the plant becomes a little bit colder. Why? Because they loses the water in the form of water vapor. So the process of transpiration when takes place by the leaves, it is called normal transpiration. But when it takes place by the breaking up of cuticle is a layer present in the leaf. The cuticle breaks and from this gap the water vapor goes away. Means the water in the form of water vapor goes away. When water comes out in the form of droplets to the part of the plant, that is called guttation. And the transpiration can also take place from the stem's lenticels. So when the transpiration takes place by lenticel, it is called lenticular transpiration. And why transpiration is necessary? Transpiration produces a cooling effect. And when we sit under the shade of the tree, we will feel comfortable because of the transpiration. So it's a very good process. Now, this transpiration I have explained you. Now you also try to remember that how water is taken in the plant. It is taken in the plant by the roots. So the root takes the plant. By leaves, the water goes in the form of water vapor, which creates a transpiration pool. So more and more water is taken by the roots, and this circulation process goes on, which is very important for the survival of the plant life. So thanks for watching the video.